Very good morning to all my YouTube audience out there. Um, so today is going to be a very productive day as we have a shoot with my trainer Randall. So we'll be shooting inside the house because apparently the gyms are not yet opened in Goa. It's going to be a little hard time, but I think we can figure it out today. So as you can see through my face, I was up all night yesterday planning on what we're going to shoot, how we're going to shoot, getting a general perspective on what I need to do so that we don't waste any time. It's 8 in the morning right now. It just got up kind of late. We're shooting in another 2 hours, and yeah, we'll vlog throughout the whole day. So right now I'm kind of hungry, so let's go and catch meal number 1. So before we get meal number 1 of the day, I've started this new thing that walk at least for 30 minutes before having breakfast. So we're going to do cardio now. And hi Tommy. This is a stray dog, actually not my dog, but I've petted him. He's been a good boy. Harmful fellow. So right now we're going to do 30 minutes of cardio, a little bit, get some sunlight, some vitamins in the body, and yeah, I will catch you guys in another 30 minutes. While walking, I just realized that I'm wearing Big Muscle Nutrition t-shirt. I just want you all guys to know that this video is not been sponsored by them, but I know that in future I will get sponsored. But as of now, I am not sponsored because I'm just starting off in vlogging. So yeah, it'll take some time. We'll grow slowly together. And yeah, that's it. I think I'm done. 30 minutes are up. Let's go and catch meal number 1 of the day. So I just went in to have my breakfast, but apparently my mom said that I need to get milk first because milk got spoiled. So bought my mask. Let's go to the market quick and we'll vlog on the way. Wear mask now, safety first. And it's here only actually, the shop. 5 minutes away, so we'll go walking and we'll come. Actually in my area no one has actually seen anyone vlogging before, so hopefully it's not awkward over here. A lot of people on the road walking and coming by vehicles, so hopefully no awkwardness. My location is quite good actually, very peaceful. No much noise, no much disturbance. The vibe also is quite good over here, a lot of greenery. So we are here in the corner, close by to this. So we reached the shop. It's over here. Anand, good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Thank you. Anand.
Okay.
So right now we got the milk packets and we are going back home. Thanks Anand. Let's go back home now. Mom needs to make tea. And we're going back the same way. The weather's quite good. As you all can see, it's a nice sunny day. Hopefully it doesn't rain. There are 4 eggs, in which there are 3 egg whites and 1 whole. And don't worry, these yolks are not going to be thrown out. My mom uses this. So let's turn off the gas. So right now we have 4 eggs with 2 brown breads, and this is my breakfast. I'm gonna have this and catch you all and let the productive day begin. Breakfast is done. Actually, as you can see, I already changed my t-shirt because it was so hot that I was sweating. But nevertheless, we already have our superstar here. Randall Feroz.
Hello Juan, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, Randall?
I'm doing good. It's always pleasure working with you, man.
Yes, always. So right now, as you can see, we've already done the setup. Randall's rehearsing, and we are going to go into the shots right now. So guys, finally we have finished the shoot with Randall. So basically, a brand called Senvitin, which is new in the market, has just released their multivitamins and multi-minerals. So Randall has been kind enough to give me a bottle, so I shall keep it. So I'd like to take this moment and introduce to you who is Randall, because you guys will wonder who is he. So this is Randall Feroz. He has been the runners-up at Mr. Goa 2019. He's also a fitness coach, been trained very well by another coach called Sir Kaitan, who I've been trained along with, I guess. Yeah, same guy.
Exactly.
So Randall, I've been Randall's student for 4 months. I've been coaching under his guidance. Diet is given by him, workout is given by him, everything regarding to food, supplements, even a drop of water is everything is under Randall's guidance over here. So Randall, where can my audience find you?
Alright, first of all, a very warm welcome to all of you guys. I'm Randall Feroz. I'm a former bodybuilding competitor turned into fitness model and now a fitness coach and nutritionist. I'm a son to a superwoman and brother to at least 7 dogs, you can say. So yeah, for me fitness is a different aspect. It's not just going to the gym, it's discovering fitness everywhere. Be it you can work out anywhere in your workspace, you can work out outdoors, you can go by the beach and just do your cardio and everything. What matters is your nutritional plan that you follow every day. And I'm sure Juan is going to come up with a lot of things showing you all his diet, his secrets and everything for getting a leaner body. And I'm happy seeing Juan progressing. Like 4 months back if I see him, and now he has progressed and he's cut down, and I'm really happy about it. Also, if you would like to get trained by me, what you can do is I'll be dropping my email ID and my contact number in his YouTube bio, video description bio, and you can get me over there.
Yeah, sure. I will keep that everything. You can mail him, guys, or contact him, see everything. He also gives a trial plan out.
Yeah.
I think for 2-3 days.
2-3 days.
Yeah, something like that. So you all can figure it out. And also you all can use my discount code of 120, where you can get a 20% off
discount
with Randall, and that's good enough. You can get a diet, you can get your workout plan, all the guidance.
The first 5 members get 20%.
First 5 members get
if
the 20%.
they use coupon 120.
120, yeah. So guys, thank you Randall for being here.
It's an honor.
It was always a pleasure shooting with him. And that's it.
Guys.
One, see you.
Yeah, see you, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
See you for the next shoot.
Yeah.
For your information, this was actually our 3rd shoot in 2 months. And the next month, again, we are doing 2 commercials with Randall. So,
And many more projects.
many more projects to come.
The wait will be worth it.
These commercials, my god. So guys, that was it for my vlog for today. Kind of still have to clean up the place due to the setup. Kind of tiring day today. But as you all know, it was a very productive day. We got a lot of things done. The video is done, we got the photos done. It's very difficult to get a brand every time. So it actually takes a lot of time that we have to approach the brand. We need to ask a lot of things. Then they send the products. Sometimes it was a collaboration, or sometimes we get paid for it. But it's a lot of hard work at the end of the day, and a lot of things. And yeah, vlogging. I'm going to be vlogging all the time now. No 9-to-5 jobs. Only photography, videography, and video editing maybe. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting regularly, maybe thrice a week, but maybe after my exams. But for now, see you all in the next vlog.